Well, if you're anything like us at KG, you're raring to get going with your sowing this month.
Yes.
So in our product review, we've been looking at some sowing kits and sowing accessories that you will find useful. So Steve, what have you got?
I have this rather nutty tray tamper from Leather Wallop. Very simple of course, but essential nonetheless, and obviously it's just for, well, you can use it for two things. You can strike your seed trays off, get the extra compost out of your seed trays, and then make a nice flat surface.
Yeah, I like the half
old
seed tray. It's good, isn't it?
Yeah, fits perfectly.
How about you, Em?
Well, I have got a sieve, a compost sieve from Gardening Naturally, which is really useful because often you've got compost, especially these days when it's sort of you know, made with a lot of sort of wood bark and stuff. You get a lot
it
of
can be
lumps
quite
in,
lumpy,
don't you?
yeah.
So you get some nice fine
Oh, that's great.
compost. Well, it comes with a couple of inserts. You've got the fine mesh and you've got the wider mesh, which I think is pretty good. Just slots in, and you get a nice fine compost to put over the top
really
of your
good.
seeds.
Really
Super.
Good.
Well, I've got these root trainers from Marshall, and as you can see, I've been sowing a few peas in them. These are fantastic because for seeds that need, or plants that need plenty of roots growth beneath, these are perfect because they have sort of you know, they're long cells and perfect for peas, runner beans, broad beans, and they come with a lid, so they also work almost like a mini propagator. And when they're ready to plant on, you just lift them out and you can open them out and you'll see all the lovely roots that have grown down. These are a bit too early for that, but you know, great accessory for growing certain types of...
From year to year, they last for years, don't they? If you look
Ages,
after them.
You reuse them each year.
Use them all the time.
So look out for our sowing kit feature, product review this month in the mag.